We'll be guiding you through on how to make a reel on Instagram. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step would be going to the plus icon in the bottom of the screen. Click on the plus icon. After that, you'll see a wheel in the bottom. So just scroll it down to the right so it unveils more options. And stop the wheel on reel. As you can see, I've stopped it on the reel. After that, you'll see your media, the media on your device. So choose any picture or any video that you want to make a reel on. Let me just choose this picture of the spinners. As you can see, I've added this image. Now you'll see a lot of options, but don't worry, they're all simple. So the first one is to edit. You can edit the reel or the image or the video that you added. So you can split it, you can replace it with something else, you can crop it, you can discard it. All right, that's the first option. After that, you'll see the option to add music or add audio track. You can see there's a lot of audio tracks. You can search for your audio track if you're searching for something specific. So you can type it down in the search bar. After that, you'll see the third option says add text. So you can add a text if you want. Let's say I want to add spinners. All right, you can place it wherever you want and click on done after doing it. After that, you'll see the fourth option says clips. So you can add GIFs in your reel. For example, you can see a lot of GIFs. You can type anything in the search bar. So let's say I want a sad GIF. So let's type sad. As you can see, there's a lot of sad GIFs. So yeah, you can add GIFs up too. After that, you'll see the fifth option says add stickers. So you can add stickers. There's a lot of options. You can search for them. It's all the same, it's not that difficult. After that, you'll see the sixth option is for voiceovers. So you can add voiceovers if you want. You can add a specific audio or you can record your own voice if you want to add in your reel. After that, on the seventh option, it says volume. You can control the volume of the clip. If you have a video, you want to turn it down, you can make it 0. If you want to increase it, you can put it on 100. So it depends on you. And the last option is to add filters. So you can choose any filters. There's a lot of options again. So it totally depends on you, which one you like. Let's just say I'll put this one and click on done. And when you're done using all these options and editing your reel, click on the blue arrow on the top right. Now we're on the final stage of uploading our reel. So you can caption your reel. So I'm captioning it with spinners. Done. You can add a poll if you want. After that, you'll see an option to tag people. I don't really have any person to tag. Let's see. You can tap anywhere and tag something. I'll tag someone named Spinners. Let's say Spinners Cafe. You can do that. I'm not really gonna tag someone. After tagging someone, you'll see the option to select the audience. So you can select if you want everyone to see your reel or you only want your close friends to see your reel. So it depends on you. I just want everyone to see this reel. After that, you get the option to add topics. You can add topics to it. Let's just say I'll let it load. You'll see a lot of options here. So you can say games, toys. I'll select toys and click on done on the top right when you're done selecting the tags. After that, you can rename the audio. It doesn't really matter. I can rename it, but I'll just keep it original audio. After that, you can add a location in the fifth option, as you can see. I'm not going to add my location. And after that, you'll see an option to say add reminder. You can add the event name and start the timer if you want. After that, you can recommend on Facebook. You can post this picture or the video or the reel simultaneously on Facebook as well if you turn this on. But I've toggled it off. I don't really want to post on Facebook. After that, you can click on advanced settings And there are some other settings. Let's say you can schedule the reel if you want. You'll upload it right now, but it won't be public right now. You can select the time and it will automatically get uploaded at that time. You can add templates. Don't let others use this reel as a template. You can prohibit the use of this reel as a template. After that, you can hide the like count on this reel. You can show captions, allow people to download your reel. That's also an option. And upload at highest quality. So, yeah, let's just toggle that on. And when you're done editing this reel and completing all the necessary details, and then just click on share if you want, or you can click on share save as draft if you want to keep this in as draft and upload it later. But I'll just share it right now. It says sharing the reels, and that's pretty much how you upload a reel on Instagram.